wobbly on this dog.
15 minutes. Who took off all late? He took off late.
Go.
Oh. Nigga, you know D-Red is a motherfucking
I wanted to see how he take off on the
this
bike.
nigga the Black Ranger.
I wanted to see how he ride. How he was, you feel me? He tuck right. He tuck right. This is his first fast bike, bro. I don't want my brother to just get on that motherfucker and fall.
No, shit.
So I let him go. He did his thing.
Hey, look. Everybody hear my witness. Right? D-Red got on this motherfucking, rode this bitch, turned this bitch into a damn motorcycle, into a dirt bike. This nigga did this.
Yeah, it's like squirting from this.
Squirting from where?
It's this right here.
Let me see. The seal?
Didn't know here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's leaking out right there.
Go, Red, go.
You don't gotta pull.
Testing
Where was you at? Motherfucker was taking a nap. See, by the time he's back in the seat again, I'll stay on Anna. Stop playing with me. Check out my bike. Have y'all showed it my bike or no? Look. Call this one the orange peel. Part of the Skittle pack right here. It ain't all done yet. It ain't tuned right yet. But it's getting there.
World Gang coming this Sunday for the purple bike. Yes, sir. Y'all said y'all want that jockey. I got a jockey for you. Don't turn down the race. You feel me? Got it.
Hey, my money on D-Red. He finna drag your shit.
Hey, this bike official makeover.
BDMS for the win.
I was debating if they even want to come out on camera, to be honest. They the old be getting this. Not only that, it motherfuckers off now. Nigga, the motherfucking pump is hanging off the side.
Yeah.
I ain't doing nothing. I said, I'm just out here minding my own business, riding, enjoying my Sunday with my son. This nigga said, you ain't got no plates. I need to search the truck. Pop the motherfucking truck open. I got a whole ass garage back here. Tools, hammers, gas tanks. He said, and what is this? Nigga, don't cross my mind like this nigga, they done set me up. This nigga done set me up. I'm mad as fuck. Then he texted me. We on Imperial in where, Broadway? No, Imperial. Yeah, we at the gas station. Nigga, don't talk to me. I'ma unfollow your ass and unsubscribe. All I'm gonna do. Y'all see that shit? Stop playing.
Tell him,
Stop
Tommy.
playing, man.
Oh, that shit say.
Y'all see it?
Let's see what that shit say. You heard
Don't
what
be
Tommy
smarter than
said.
Lord.
What it says?
We in this bitch.
Bring back on a good day. Great again. Make Anna's great again. No, he busting a bitch.
Yeah, clocking up, bro.
Hold on.
Better not be fat.
Watch out.
Huh? Which one is fast? Both of them fast. Okay.
What you got?
Let's do it. Stock. Okay, we got a little something. Huh? Oh, he said he want to front run.
I don't know, man.
Go, what's up, nigga? Go.
It's a couple bands, man.
Run him. Go do your little tip pass.
I fucking know what that was. Gas too.
Are we? Yeah, you
Be on the right side.
We're gonna.
Oh yeah, that Avalanche.
He gonna get gas.
Finna get his emblem blown off that motherfucker.
Yeah, he going like. But he got it though. He got it.
Minibike took it.
Damn! Get the fuck up, T.A.F.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Fuck that truck up, nigga. Quick your bike.
Good shit. I knew the fucking shit moved.
How I feel to beat a truck.
Can't really say much. Look.
That truck, right?